Okay guys, here we are. The clear coat is somewhat dried. Let's see, take this off so you can get a better view. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. I like it. I should have left it more, let it get more rich. That's what I'm gonna do with the next one. This is the rainbow patina effect. Let's see in the shade. Should we see it in the shade? Look at that thing. That's pretty. That is pretty. And I don't mean pretty like, actually I'm not gonna get into that. Okay guys, look, this is also, this is the vinegar. Actually looks kind of the same, right? This one is with the vinegar. Okay, this one. This one, I did it with the vinegar and it turned green. So I tried to get rid of the green and it was an ugly green. I like green, but not that green. Okay. So I tried to get rid of the green and then I redid it. I must have cross-contaminated or something, I don't know, but I like it. It looks real old, real rustic. It's gonna be perfect for my project that I am working on. Okay guys, and last but not least, my favorite. How good that came out. Looks awesome. Look at how rich that knot is. I'm happy. I am happy, guys. Okay, well, that's it. You see the results yourself. Now, all you gotta do is get out there and do it.